Alright, so you already know the vibe. We're going to be jumping straight in. Today I'm going to be working with hair from eullair Hair Company. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, eullair hair. But anyway, today I'm going to be working with two 24 bundles, 122 and a 20-inch frontal. Yes. So these are these gorgeous Brazilian body wave bundles, and they're not your average 613 bundles. They're more of like a honey blonde color. They're not as like whitish, which I really like, because today I'm going for more of like a honey blonde look with a dark root. So as you guys can see, the bundles are absolutely stunning, as well as the closure. You do get a pre-plucked hairline, and the body wave on the closure, the frontal was absolutely gorgeous. Like, as you guys can see, this hair is super pretty. So the good thing about customizing your own wig, you can pick whatever color you want for your root. Today I'm going to be working with the Dark and Lovely in the shade 373. So I wanted kind of like a warm brown, but not too warm where it's orangey. I wanted to have some cool tone to it, so kind of like a neutral brown. But of course you can go for any shade of root that you want. If you feel like this is way too dark, then you could go in with a light blonde or a dark blonde, whatever you want to do. So whenever it comes up to box dye, you already know how to mix it. Follow the directions if you need to. But I've been working with box dyes, girl, since I was a kid. So we probably a pro at this by now. So when doing root on your frontal, you do not, and I repeat, do not, bitch, put it on the lace. Okay? You do not do that, because since the dye is liquid, it will bleed and it will spread. So you always want to work below. So as you guys can see, I'm starting lower, and then I'm going to take this hair dye brush, and then I'm going to blend my way up to the root. You do not want to put the dye directly on the root, because it will definitely leak into the lace, and then you'll have black knots and it will not look natural, and then it's going to defeat the whole damn purpose, bitch. So anyway, so you want to make sure you're starting off with a little bit of dye, working really slowly. Take your time with this, because you can fuck this up real quick. As you guys can see, I'm doing section by section, and then I flip the hair over, and you want to get the back of each and every piece. So as you guys can see, I'm doing that there, and then I'll keep repeating the steps over and over until I do the whole entire frontal. By the way, you guys, I'm fucking sick as hell, and I'm drinking Henny right now as I'm doing this voiceover, because I'm lit. It's Friday, by the way. I'm not sure if this video is going to go up today, but it was Friday night when I was doing this. So even though I'm working, I gotta have some me time. Bitch is trying to get lit. So these are what your dyed roots should be looking like when you're finished. So like I said, you do not want to drag the root out too much, but of course it is your wig, you do as you please. So I want to show you guys the color of the bundles when I actually wash the hair out. As you guys can see, is a completely different color from the clip that we just seen. So I want to kind of explain what happened. So pretty much when I was washing out the frontal, the root color kind of like bled onto the hair as I was washing it out, and it kind of like toned it. So my closure was pretty much a whole entire different color than my damn bundles. So what I did was kind of like a whack ass watercolor method, and I just took the dirty water that had the dye in it in the bathtub, and I just dipped the rest of my bundles in it. And as you guys can see, the brown dye kind of got on the bundles, and it kind of created like this really pretty toned blonde color, not as yellow as the bundles were originally was. So that's exactly how I got this color. It actually came out by accident, but I love it, like hands down, because I was originally going for that, you know, original color that the bundles came, that bright honey blonde. but I'm so happy that it actually turned out this way because I like this so much better. It's actually like a nice tone brownie blonde. I'm not sure how to explain it, but anyways. So now I'm going to go in with this razor that I got from my beauty supply store, and I am going to just frame the face with a few layers because I am going to be adding some curls into this hair. So I don't want the hair to be all flat one length, so I do like to add some layers in the front. So y'all already know my cheapy little quick twist, you know, because a bitch do not got time to braid. And I'm going to throw on my wig cap. This is not an installation video, you guys. I'm not going to show you exactly how I put it on, but I do like to leave a few clips just so that way it's not just like from one step jumping straight into the other. So yeah, right now I'm just kind of like prepping my hair for underneath the wig. And oof, girl, that color is so pretty on camera. I was absolutely living for this so much. Can we talk about how I pluck the fuck out of this frontal though, bitch? That is scalp. That's scalp right there. Oh my god, every wig that I make, I'm like getting better and better because it's like I kind of know what I'm doing more and more each and every time. So that's why I say y'all gotta practice, okay? Bitch, I'm still practicing. But yes, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace that's dangling over my ears because you already know your girl got a little ass head. So these frontals be fitting me way too big. So now I'm going to cut off the excess lace that is actually on the wig as well. And yeah, then I'm just going to quickly install it off camera. And I actually wanted to tell you guys that this video actually inspired my next video, which is a get ready with me. So in that video, I'm actually going to be showing you how I style this hair, you know, put the makeup on. You know, I did a cute little outfit moment for y'all. So this is basically just how I got this color and basically the transformation. But if y'all want to see the whole styling, then definitely peep my next video. Ooh, y'all got into my Marilyn Monroe hand sanitizer though. Real cute. So for this look, I was going to go for a middle part. So as you guys can see, I'm just plucking out the middle part so that way I can open it up just a little bit so that way it doesn't look too wiggy. And now I'm taking some makeup. This is a foundation powder that's like the same color as my scalp. And now I'm just going to tap that over the lace that is showing just so it could look more like my skin color. And as you guys can see, she is laid. I am going to throw her into a ponytail real quick just so I can do my makeup and beat this face and film my other video for y'all because your girl's on a roll right now, okay? So yeah, now as you guys can see the completed look, this honey blonde moment is absolutely stunning. I'm here for it. I'm living. I know y'all was waiting for me to say this, but yes, bitch, this is one of my favorite wigs right now because, bitch, it's summertime. So I'm so here for the light color right now. This dark root, yes, love this. Love this so much. Hopefully y'all loved it too. Give this video a thumbs up if y'all did, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Until next time, guys, bye.